Welcome back to Unboxed. In today's short video, I've got another awesome Super JDM product for all you 22 and up Toyota Tundra owners. What we have here is the brand new HKS Legamax Trailmaster Catback exhaust. Now this exhaust is going to be a great option for all you guys that have the 3rd gen Tundra, whether it is a daily driver or a off-road warrior. Whatever that may be, this is going to be a great option for you. Now this exhaust right here is going to be a single side exit on the driver's side, just like the OEM exhaust. What's really nice here is that we do have 2 different tip options for you to choose from, and they both come with the kit. You can choose to run either the dual titanium tips right here, or when you are taking the truck off-roading and you need a little bit more clearance, you can run this little shorty little dump tube as well. What's really nice about this exhaust is the fact that it comes with flanges rather than slip fittings, so switching this out is going to be super simple. You won't have to battle the exhaust itself. Now this exhaust is made in Japan using 304 stainless steel, and if you look at this piece, I mean, it looks more like an art piece rather than an exhaust. The quality is going to be some of the top quality on the market when it comes to exhaust. I mean, just look at these welds and just overall, I just love this exhaust. For the exhaust itself, it's going to give you a nice bassy exhaust note. However, it's not going to be too drony inside the cab, and for the overall weight for the exhaust, it comes in under 60 pounds, so you are saving some weight also going from the OEM exhaust to this. Again, great option for all your 3rd gen Toyota Tundra owners. Now, as I mentioned, this exhaust does come with nice flanges rather than slip fittings, so installation on this is going to be extremely simple. You should be able to throw this thing up onto your car within an hour. Also, finally, this exhaust, you are able to get just the axle back portion, which is this guy right here, with the 2 exhaust tips, or you are able to get the full catback option, really giving you the option to customize this to your truck. Make sure you check out both of our exhaust videos on both options to see which one is going to be the better option for you. And that's all the time I've got for you guys today. Let me know down in the comments which one of these 2 you're going to go with, axle back or the full catback. And until next time, I hope you guys stay safe, and we'll see you.